Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to install the M-style mirror caps on the M240i. This is a pretty easy mod and these are pretty cheap. Big bang for the buck. So let's get after it. So for the first step, you move your mirror all the way down. That gives you enough leverage from the top of your mirror to pop the clips. Now there's two different ways to do this. You can remove the mirror or you can pry the cover off from the back. So the problem with prying the cover off from the back is most of the time you're gonna break clips. So this one, I'm gonna remove the mirror very, very gently. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, now that we've got the mirror detached, we're gonna start prying clips. There's a set here, there's a set up here, and then there's a set way over here. They're only on the top. We're gonna squeeze those things together with some pliers, and this cap should come right off. All right, came off really, really easy. Now let's get the new one installed. So from here, line up the clips. And this should snap right in. Satisfying click, and that thing is solid. Okay, replacing the mirror. Remember there's posts in the corners, and you've got guides in the corners. So line up those posts with the guides, and it should click right back in place. All right, boom, installed. All right, final product. Look at that. Nice shape, sleek look, new mirrors. Let's go. There you have it. We've got M-style mirrors on the M240i. Beautiful. Now, one thing to note, be careful with the wires on the mirror. Don't pull on them, don't yank on them, don't cut them. It's just gonna cause you problems. Thanks for watching. If you like this, hit subscribe, and I'll do more content just like this. Until next time, go drive your car.